Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing fantastic. On today's Wellness Wednesday, we're going to be talking about wildfire smoke. I am Dr. Stacy Livingston with Pinnacle Chiropractic, and with wildfire season essentially in full swing, that thick smoke outside isn't just annoying, it can seriously affect our health. It can affect our breathing, energy, and overall well-being. Today, I'm going to share some simple, effective ways to help protect yourself. So, wildfire smoke contains small or tiny particles and toxins that can irritate our lungs, trigger inflammation, cause headaches, fatigue, even flare up our old neck and back injuries. When our body is fighting pollution, our nervous system is working overtime. So here's what we can do right now. First, check the air quality index. When it's high, try to stay indoors as much as possible and keep your windows closed. Second, run a good HEPA air filter purifier in the main living areas of your house. You can try to change your HVAC filters more often too. Staying hydrated is very important. When we drink plenty of water and eat anti-inflammatory foods like berries, leafy greens if you dare right now, turmeric and omega-3s, it helps cut our inflammation levels. Another thing to try to practice is a gentle breathing exercise. It's called 4-7-8 breathing. So you inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This helps calm our nervous system and helps clear our lungs. Here's where chiropractic shines. Spinal adjustments help improve our posture, which allows us to take deeper breaths or breathe deeper and fuller. The adjustments help reduce nervous system interference, which helps our immune system and our respiratory systems work better. Many patients over the last week and a half, 2 weeks, have noticed less chest issues, so less tightness, less pain, fewer headaches. Some pretty cool stuff right there. Coughing can also irritate our neck or middle back. I've even seen a couple low backs from it. Or our poor indoor posture. Adjustments help bring relief to that situation. So in closing, just a reminder, take care of your body, especially when it's smoky out. These small, consistent steps make a huge difference in the long run. If you're feeling the effects of the wildfire smoke, give us a call. We will get you guys taken care of right away. As always, if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the video below. I will answer them as soon as I see them. Have a great day. See ya.